As former USA Gymnastics team doctor, Larry Nassar's sentencing hearing continues into a second week. 3 top USA Gymnastics executives are leaving their post. Nassar started working with USA Gymnastics in 1986. Olympic gymnast Ali Raisman alleges the organization knew about some of Nassar's sexual abuse and failed to protect gymnasts. USA Gymnastics announced Chairman Paul Perilla, Vice Chairman Jay Binder, and Treasurer Bitsy Kelly tendered their resignations effective January 21, 2018. An interim chairperson will be appointed as the board identifies replacements. USA Gymnastics' new CEO and president Carrie Perry said the move allows the organization to move forward in implementing change.